Have you faced that issue in your geometry dash not opening on your iPhone? No worries. Here is the advanced, quick, and easy guide on how to solve this geometry dash not opening problem with some easy method. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. Method 1. Try to restart your device. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. And try the next solution. Method 2. Update your Geometry app. Open the App Store, search Geometry. If you find any updates available, then tap on the update. After updating, open the Geometry and check whether your problem is solved or not. Method 3. Offload the Geometry app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Geometry app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app, and tap Offload again. After that, reinstall again, and check your problem will be solved. Method 4. Reset all setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset all settings. So, this is how you can solve your geometry not opening or loading problem. But still, if you have any issues, don't forget to write in the comment section below and drop a like. Thanks for watching.